Hey friends! Today we are making white bean crackers. They are perfect with dips, crumbled on soup, or just as a crunchy snack. Here's what you'll need: cooked white beans, oats, an egg, spices of your choice. I'm using thyme, onion, rosemary, garlic, oregano, and salt. Some oil, and for topping, I'm using red pepper flakes, sesame seeds, and coarse salt. A cooking spray or a pastry brush. Dump everything into your food processor. And blitz until smooth. Now, heads up, your dough might get a little sticky or wet. That's because the moisture in your beans can vary, depending on the type and how they were cooked. Check out these beans side by side. If your dough is too wet, just add about 2 to 4 tablespoons more oats. The dough will firm up. Scrape it onto a parchment sheet and form it into a ball. Then roll the ball into a sausage shape and cut it into 4 pieces. Cut each piece in half again. And I find it easier to flatten the pieces with my fingers before rolling, so that's what I do. Now, roll it out as thin as possible, about 1 millimeter or 1/16 of an inch. Once rolled, sprinkle on sesame seeds. Then lightly roll over the top with your rolling pin to press the seeds in. Add red pepper flakes or any other herbs and spices you like. Roll again, and don't forget to salt generously. If you have oil spray, give the dough a quick spritz. Now cut the dough into squares. I'm using a pizza cutter, but a knife works just fine. Bake in a preheated oven at 400 degrees Fahrenheit or 200 degrees Celsius for 16 to 18 minutes. While the first batch is baking, here's option 2. Use a pastry brush to brush on some oil before adding the toppings. The crackers are ready when you see gaps between them, and the middle is a nice golden color, not pale. These crackers are very filling. This recipe makes about 4 to 6 servings, depending on how hungry you are. If you want fewer servings, check the description for a scaled-down version. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you want more simple, healthy recipes. Thanks for watching. See you next time.